Hey there! If you're someone looking to build a career in computing, AI/ML, robotics, and cybernetics, then listen up. I am Jasmeen, a B.Tech AI/ML student at Marik Institute of NIMS University. If you wonder why you should choose NIMS University for your future, then this is for you. Experienced faculties from top institutions like NITs, IITs, and Harvard. Cutting-edge infrastructure. We have NVIDIA DGX A100 server, which is first in Rajasthan and allows students to work on high-end data and AI projects. Global collaborations. NIMS offers international exposure through partnerships worldwide. Exclusive partnerships. Marik Institute is a unique collaboration between NIMS University and Czech Institute of Informatives, Robotics and Cybernetics, the finest AI institute of Central Europe, inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of Czech. Most important top-tier alumni network. Our alumnus work at leading companies like Microsoft, Meta, TCS, Google and many more.